Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about in this video we are going to discuss about the basic requirements and prerequisites for learning SAP controlling module. So in our previous video we have discussed about why to learn this controlling module and what are the implementation areas to be carried out in SAP controlling module and what are the different configurations to be implemented under controlling module and what are the integrations to be carried out for SAP CO module and other stuff. In this video we are going to discuss about the basic requirements and prerequisites for learning this SAP controlling module, because SAP has given some prerequisites or SAP has given some recommendations before going to learn this SAP controlling module. This is why, because for learning any functional modules in SAP, the consultants should have to have some basic domain experience and understanding of the entire business processes in the relevant business module. Similarly, for learning SAP controlling module, SAP has given some recommendations or SAP has given some basic requirements and prerequisites for learning this controlling module. In this video, we will discuss each and everything in detail. What are the basic requirements and what are the domain experience suggested by SAP, or what are the SAP recommendations for learning this controlling module one by one. So for learning this controlling module, all the candidates must have domain experience in the areas of cost accounting or in the areas of cost center accounting, or either in the area of profit center accounting or in the areas of internal orders. And one more main requirement is that all the candidates should have to have strong domain knowledge and understanding of the end-to-end cost management accounting, which includes product costing and controlling, which includes controlling and profitability analysis COPA, which includes planning and budgeting, which includes creation of balance sheets, which includes various cost accounting management reports, and also which includes the strong understanding of the business processes in other areas like sales, purchase and production for implementing the product costing configuration. So these are all some of the recommendations given by SAP, or these are all some of the prerequisites delivered by SAP before going to learn this SAP CO module. We will discuss the domain experience for learning this CO module once again from the scratch. So all the candidates must have domain experience in the areas of cost accounting. Cost accounting is nothing but cost management accounting. Cost management accounting consists of many different functionalities like controlling area configuration, profit center accounting, cost center accounting, product costing and controlling and profitability analysis, that is COPA, planning and budgeting, and creation of balance sheets, various cost accounting management reports, and also they should possess very strong knowledge in the areas of sales, purchase and production in order to handle the controlling and profitability analysis COPA configuration, as well as to handle the end-to-end product costing and controlling configuration in the controlling module of SAP. That means all the candidates who are willing to learn this CO module should have to possess the above discussed areas very strongly. Then only they can be able to learn, then only they can be able to implement, then only they can be able to design, then only they can be able to support, then only they can be able to execute the entire end-to-end controlling module for an organization. So these are all the prerequisites recommended by SAP for learning this CO module. Once if the candidates possesses the strong domain knowledge in the above discussed areas, then only they can be able to easily learn this controlling module, then only they can be able to implement, then only they can be able to support, then only they can be able to execute, and then they can be able to design the entire end-to-end configurations in controlling module. Because regarding this controlling module, there are many different important configurations to be carried out. We will discuss at least 3 important configurations to be carried out in the CO module. So this profitability, this product costing and controlling is one of the important configurations in the controlling area. Similarly, controlling and profitability analysis COPA configuration also plays a very vital role in the controlling side of SAP. And similarly, planning and budgeting configuration also plays a very vital role, and also it is very important configuration from the CO perspective. And also we have furthermore different important configurations like balance sheet creations, as well as various accounting management reports, because we are using reports and we are also going to create reports based on the different input data from product costing and controlling. We are going to create reports based on the different inputs from controlling and profitability analysis, that is COPA. And similarly, we are going to create reports based on the input data from planning and budgeting. Similarly, we are going to create reports based on the cost center management accounting as well as profit center accounting. So that is the reason why here creating reports also is very important. And once again, a strong understanding of the different business processes in other areas like sales, purchase and production, because this product costing configuration, in other words, this product costing and controlling is the combination of material management, sales and distribution, production planning, finance as well as controlling. So for implementing this product costing and controlling configuration in SAP CO module, all the 5 modules should be integrated properly. Then only we can be able to get the required output based on the client's requirement. And similarly, this COPA, controlling and profitability analysis COPA, also plays a very important role in analyzing the profits based on the input data from different modules like sales and distribution, material management, production planning, finance as well as controlling module. So only based on the inputs from different implementation configuration, then only we are able to create balance sheets, and based on the balance sheets we can be able to create different reports, that is cost accounting management reports, based on the requirements of the clients. So the very important concepts to be carried out in SAP CO controlling involves different knowledge, different modules, application knowledge. That means all the consultants should have to possess a strong understanding of the entire sales process, the entire purchase process, entire production process, entire finance process, and then entire CO process in order to implement this COPA configuration, that is controlling and profitability analysis COPA configuration, as well as product costing and controlling configuration in SAP CO module. So in this video, we have discussed very clearly about the basic requirements and prerequisites for learning this controlling module. Only if the consultants possesses the above discussed domain experience or above discussed controlling activities, then only they can be able to learn, then only they can be able to implement, then only they can be able to support, then only they can be able to execute, then only they can be able to start the design of the entire end-to-end controlling module for the organization. And I want to tell about myself. I am Raja. I am having more than 20 plus years of experience in the SAP industry. I have worked as a consultant. I have worked as a delivery manager. I have worked as a delivery head. I have worked as a practice head for many projects. I have done many implementation projects. I have done many production support as well as rollout and upgrade projects. And regarding my on-site experience, I have more than 5 years of on-site experience handling Middle East and European clients. And regarding my certification areas and interests, I have done my certification in finance. I have done my certification in business process planning and consolidation module, which is one of the more advanced module for consolidation reporting in SAP Finance. And I have done my certification in S4HANA Simple Finance. Similarly, I have done my certification in S4HANA Simple Logistics module, which involves the different modules of logistics like material management, sales and distribution, production planning, and plant maintenance. And similarly, I have done my certification in S4HANA Central Finance, that is for reporting. And similarly, I have completed very recently my certification in SAP Business and Revenue Innovation Management, that is SAP Hybris module. So that's all about myself. In this video, we have clearly discussed about the basic requirements for learning this SAP CO module. In our next video, we will discuss about different implementation strategies for both ECC as well as S4HANA, because in ECC system, that is our traditional ECC system, for implementing this traditional ECC system, we are using accelerated SAP methodology, that is ASAP methodology of implementation. Similarly, for implementing S4HANA, we are using activate methodology. So we will discuss each and every phases in detail in our coming videos. Thank you.